This is Rebecca's upmarket apartment. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh.
Look at the lovely flowers. Have a look at the nice flowers.
Good, good.
Beautiful. Come and have a look. This is the little hallway that goes towards the other side of the
The
bedroom.
guest rooms.
Guest rooms, yeah.
Okay. Don't go too fast, I'll get lost.
Okay. This is one of the guest rooms.
Okay.
You go around here.
Beautiful.
You've got a couple of bedrooms.
Okay.
Go down here. Got the bathrooms.
Bathroom.
Yeah. Just a little bathroom off up here. Shower. That's it. All the
No, I like this. I like the double showers.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, send enough of that.
Pretty good.
The spa in each section.
What do you think of these?
No, the other ones are much nicer.
That's what I thought.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, here, I'll just show you
What's that?
the magical toilet. Yep, open up sesame. And then if you want to heat the seat, you know, in cold bum, or give it a spray wash, powder clean, steam
I don't
clean,
think you're going to tell us that, do you? Okay.
clean. Oh, there's a walk-in robe. Or
You
whatever.
don't go too fast. I like this double, what's his name?
Double bed in the room there. It's a nice concept.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay, down here, we've got
Just a
another bedroom. Bit of a more private bedroom. Just open these curtains a bit.
That's alright, don't worry about it now.
Why?
We'll be here all day trying to open curtains and turn the lights on. Don't worry about it now. Okay?
Oh, I don't even know where they are.
There'll be a remote somewhere for it.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah, it must be.
oh look,
Oh,
here's,
over there, the remotes are over
here's
there.
some Louis Armstrong's trumpets. I better go into the pickers, I might want to buy them.
Yeah, I'm just opening up everything.
Oh, don't worry about it now. Come. I haven't got time for that. Here's another
Okay.
walk in, chuck your clothes in somewhere. Have a little rinse off. His and hers. You watch, here's another tool that's going to rise to the occasion. Yep, that's it, that's what I like. Don't want to dirty your hands. Another little showery thing. Room for 6 people in there. Save water. Put the whole family in one go. Here. I'm here. Where are you? Where are you?
Oh, I've gone down the hallway.
Oh, I'm coming.
Where are you? I thought a broom was on me.
Hey, we'll get in that way.
Oh, okay.
You can show your talents on the piano for a sec.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's the. Oh, gee, the sun's bright.
Yeah.
There's
This is the bar.
the bar.
You see bar?
Yep.
Want a drink? They've got no glasses.
Yeah, I know. The butler gives you all that. There's the table if we're going to practice cards. You get frustrated, we bang the balls around the table.
Okay, this is the lounge.
There's a lounge. And if you
Yeah.
Hmm.
This is the lounge.
Yep.
What now?
show the piano doll.
Oh, the piano.
Oh, there's a mini TV.
This is the piano we played all last night.
Hmm.
Oh. Oh.
Holy moly. You've improved.
I'm talented. From last night. Oh, hold
I'm
on.
supposed to sing. No, gee. Okay, that's enough of Here's glasses here.
Mm.
Anyway. So that's sort of the
Look.
slack around the entertainment area. There's Navanga.
I've been a child.
That's what I call a decent lounge chair, you know.
You can run on.
You don't have to fight for a spot.
Okay, let's go. There's another chair you can sit here. And now here, this is the hallway.
So that's
Down
the
on the
hallway
other
up
side, that's all the spare room. We'll go into here.
Oh, that's towards my bedroom.
Right. We'll go here. This is our official dining room.
This is where we eat.
I sit here.
Hey, what?
I sit here.
Navanga sits up there,
Hi.
and I sit up this end. And we have it.
Nice size table anyway. And then,
Oh, there's Melbourne. You can see it out the window. We're 38 floors up.
oh, not bad. Over here.
Oh, here's your sisters. While you're waiting for dinner to be served by the butler. You're slacking off a bit.
Ta-da!
Or you can sit at the desk. Whatever. Bit of junk.
Yeah. See? You can enjoy. Oh,
I think it just busted the $10,000 chair.
yep.
Alright.
It's quite nice. Okay. We shall follow me. We're back. Going back into the.
Well, go and have a look at the gym room.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, put.
Hold on. Still got to get through here. Over here we've got a little.
Yeah, that's
That's
it.
rubbish.
Crap room.
Down there we've got another room. It's a really big room.
Ah, we won't go down there.
No,
We'll
down
never get
here.
through.
over here we've got a lovely gym.
That's got a couple of machines. The odd towel, in case you wake up a sweat.
Oh,
So,
look at this one's good.
yeah. There it is. Manga's into it.
Woohoo!
He's working up a big hunger.
I reckon. I'll
Working
get
up,
the butler to bring up the breakfast.
working up an appetite.
Oh, this is really nice one. This is a nice machine.
Yeah. There's a few weights. And there's a few balls.
Oh, I
Some
love the
lights.
weights. Right.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
I don't know if you can put many of them in your luggage on the way home.
I reckon. Shit, they're nice. Look, they've got 3 different size balls.
Oh, you might want a big ball or a little ball or a medium ball. Don't fall down and bang your head on the weights.
Quite nice. All right, let's go. Follow me. Okay, over here,
Okay.
after a hard day's
On the
thing,
card table.
no,
Hard day at the back, right?
we get a massage.
Yeah. Good.
Get the masseur in.
Oh, bugger that.
Beautiful. Okay, that's enough of that.
Lost it.
Okay, follow me down this way.
Coming
Which way
down.
do you want to go, right or
Left.
Left.
Left into our room.
Yeah. We've got a built-in wardrobe there.
Yeah. Chuck all your shopping in there.
This is my bathroom.
Right, we've got separate bathrooms. Son of a can have a bath.
I'll go into the, what's his name?
Oh, shit, don't fall. Son of a got her bathroom.
Spa, which I would never take. I hate spas.
Yeah, you want to put the water on?
Oh shit, yeah.
Oh, there's some salts and stuff. You're going to look at it, have a spa and watch the trains.
Sounds good. Oh look, they've even got this pole to get out, which is quite good.
What have they got?
The pole?
Oh, that's just double showers going in and magical toilets and stuff. Alright, now come. Then we go show where the bedroom is.
Oh, okay. I like my robes better. Is this the room?
Yeah, put some lights on.
Oh, okay.
This is a bedroom.
Beautiful.
We just let out. That's probably the inside curtain. And that's a bed, a pop-up TV to annoy you. There's the windows cranking up. No, it's not bad. Couple of chairs to sit on. Slacking on. Plenty of room on the floor for all your clothes. You can't find the wardrobe. Then you go out this way. This is where my bathroom is. Hey. Then you go out this side. This is my bathroom. Same sort of setup. All the same sort of stuff. And this is my walk-in wardrobe in there. That's sort of basically.
Oh, which your bathroom?
That's my bathroom. Right.
This is our bed.
And there it is.
Ta-da!
Well earned rest.
Hard day at the office.
Hard day at the bakery. Alright. Good. Alright, that's it.